here. We're going to take a look at Caspa and see what's going on here, right? Obviously, we had this trend line here. Trend line broke, came back up, retested the trend line here, rejected. We had another lower high, came back down to this trend line, broke, came down. All right, now we're coming up to a major trend line right here, right down here. Okay, we had a touch up here, a touch here. Now we're coming to one here, just like on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing the same exact thing. Check this out. You got Bitcoin, look at this. All right, look at this trend line coming down from way back October 25. The touch, down to touch here in January, and now it's coming back down here. We have a bottom support coming up through here, you know, just like up through these areas, right? Same exact thing going on here, right? Look at this. You had a trend line here. Okay, came up, touched the trend line, got rejected, broke down. All right, back over here. You know, you can draw these everywhere. These things work, man, especially when you're trading. Come sign up for a level 3 membership in the description of the video and leverage trade with us. You'll love it. You also get 10 hours of videos to teach how to start charting like this, man. The charting works. You had this trend line here. It got broke, came back up, rejected, rolled over. That would have been a huge short right there. Man, oh man, I would have loved to have got that. That's a 26%er. Wow. On a 10x, you know, that's pretty awesome. 26 times your money. That's why I love longing and shorting. How about this one here? What if you would have caught that move? That's 32%. That's a drop there, man. What if you would have got it from the top? Look at this. I love trading. 52% on a 10x. You got 50 times your money. That's crazy, right? Now, if Bitcoin comes up and breaks 74, 75,000, you're going to get a pretty decent run. It comes down here and breaks through 65, 66, right in that area. Look for 50,000, okay? It's coming soon, one way or the other. You know, on the Elliott waves, you got a 1, 2, 3, possibly 4, 5. We'll see what happens there with Bitcoin. Kaspa, you know, kind of doing the same thing in here, right? As far as Elliott waves, you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, fifth wave down here. Did the altcoins run and does Bitcoin drop? We'll see what happens here, right? But same thing, draw your trend lines, you know, boom, 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 drop, draw your trend lines, drop, bounce up, drop. So if Caspa does push down, right, say it makes another wave to the bottom. I don't know though. I see 5 waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, possible, right? We'll see what happens. But if it does, you know, where could it go? Down here, 0.01369, very close to this. Does it double bottom and bounce from there, or does it come up here and take out, you know, 0.04? And make a major run? You know, that's the question here. Look at the RSIs, the weekly. Ooh, starting to flip bearish. 59 and 62 on the weekly. The monthly, right at the flat on the bottom. You know, and this thing has pulled back pretty hard for sure. You know, I think these altcoins are due. You know, look at this pullback. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to go the other way with this from this bottom here. I need my other chart, but you know, right down towards, right through 786. You know, you think you get a bounce here? You got 5 waves right here. 1, 2. Sorry about that. A little ugly, but you get the point. 5 waves down. Come out on a weekly. You can see them even better. You know, look at these Elliott waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down through here. You got them all through here. But, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 there. Did it go the whole way? Let's take a measurement on this. You know, if you're looking for a target off of this, 1860. You know, then if this pushes down here, right in that area, 1468. You know, if you get a push down, you know, you could get a drop here, roughly where we're at. It pulls down. Boy, that's a lot. I just don't see that happening there. 40%. Nah, I just don't see that. You know, that's a pretty big drop here. But you know, if you come in here on the daily, Caspa's got to hold this trend line coming up through here. You know, look at this trend line, has to hold. Right now, do we have an ABC through here? Let's take a measurement. Wait a minute. Checking out this token for a long time, huh? Just about a 618 ABC. Look at that, perfect ABC, perfect bottom here. You know, does Caspa make a run up towards this trend line here and possibly get rejected off of that? That definitely could happen. We go off the whole move. Right, Caspa chugs up here, maybe hits a 618. Up at 37.58 and maybe gets rejected, or does it take out you know, roughly 30.56 and make a pretty good push down here? You know, and we're gonna see here. This ABC worked out though. Usually after a correction like that, you know, you start to the upside here. Daily RSI heading up. Let's look at the smaller time frames, like the 4 hour. See if we got some waves. You do got like a 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly a 5 coming up here on Caspa to the upside. Where's the 1 hour? 1 hour is on the bottom. You know, you got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A bigger 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, and a push up here. We'll know pretty soon. So keep an eye on these levels, guys. These levels got to hold down here. Down here at 30.54. You know, and these higher targets. It's going on a 12 hour. You know, it has to hold them areas. And if it comes up here, if it starts breaking through 37.58, 38.55, it's going to make a nice run. You know, but if it comes down here and takes out this low, 30.50, something like that, it's going to make a push to the bottom. You know, like Bitcoin does. Bitcoin heads to 50, which it definitely could, right? You know, you'd be looking at a target down here, possibly around 2 cents. You know, so keep an eye on these levels. We'll see what happens, but a big move is definitely coming. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. I have a buy me a coffee and a link in the description. Or come join us over in Discord for a level 3 membership. You'll love it. I'll talk to you soon.